science enthusiasts of all ages, welcome back to Zach Wonder. Today I've got an amazing adventure to share with you. Join me as we explore the wonders of Glasgow Science Centre, journey through the captivating planetarium, and cap it all off with an incredible 3D movie experience. Let's dive in. Stepping into the Glasgow Science Centre was like entering a world of endless possibilities. From the moment I walked through the doors, I knew I was in for an extraordinary day of exploration and discovery. With 4 floors of mind-blowing exhibits, the Science Centre was a paradise for curious minds like mine. I got to dive into hands-on experiments, learn about the mysteries of space and time, and even uncover the secrets of cutting-edge technology. But the excitement didn't stop there. The Glasgow Science Centre boasts a stunning planetarium that took my breath away. As I reclined under the domed ceiling, I was transported to the cosmos, surrounded by stars, planets, and galaxies. The planetarium show was an unforgettable experience that filled me with wonder. I learned about distant constellations, got up close with planets in our solar system, and even journeyed to the farthest reaches of the universe. It was like exploring space right from my seat. Now get ready for the grand finale of my adventure, the IMAX theatre. The excitement was palpable as I walked into the theatre, knowing I was about to experience something truly extraordinary. The largest 3D screen in Glasgow, transported me into the heart of the movie Born to be Wild. This heartwarming film introduced me to the world of orangutans and elephants and their incredible journey to survival. The 3D effects made me feel like I was right there beside them, experiencing their wild habitats up close. Thank you for joining me on this incredible adventure through the Glasgow Science Centre, the mesmerising planetarium, and the immersive IMAX theatre. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Zach Wonder for more exciting content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.